Hello guys, if you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. Today we are going to do a fun eye look, I would say. This one was challenged in what is it, like a group that I'm part of it, a makeup group. That's where I learn most of the things because as you all know, when I started, I hardly have used not only Sanogens, like any of the makeup products in general. So if you have watched the video that I bumped yesterday, you can see what's the like a even to application to editing or even how I present myself, everything has progressed in this 3 years. So that's what I always tell any of my customers, like if you are new to anything, just you need practice, nothing else you need. So what this one is about is, this was challenged in the group where it is about doing a topsy-turvy look. What is a topsy-turvy means? Each eye we are going to do a different one. So these are the two colors I picked. Both of them are my favorite. Both of them are matte shades. Both of them are like look stunner by itself. So that's what I'm going to do. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do orange on this side, green on this side, and then we'll switch. Hi Bob. Then we'll switch and do orange on the lower bottom and green on the other side. Good morning, Da. Hope you got some sleep. So that's what we are going to do. So both eyes are going to have opposite colors, but in a different way. So this is how it will be in this side, then it will be like this on this side. So that's the fun thing we are going to try. Let's see how it turns out. It was challenged in the in my what is it, like in my beauty page. It was what is it, like a week ago or something, but I didn't get a chance to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do natural tan first to color correct. You can use your fingers too, but or else you can use a brush. You can see, otherwise I have discoloration and other things. So when you color correct, it gives like a blank canvas for you to work with. So that's the reason we color correct using any shade. You can use tiara, you can use candlelight. So there are plenty of shades that you can use. So here mine, or you can use the concealer of your color too. The concealers like light, medium or deep, you can use that too. And that also color corrects. So with your fingers also they melt, so you can do either way. So I just used natural tan to color correct. And if you're you can even see, I am going to use rust, but you can use Americano too. If you don't want to be too bold, you can still use Americano, should work the similar way. And mine is both matte colors. If you want shimmer colors, you can see, you can pretty much recreate the same look with these two shades. Hi Vimy, good morning. So here I have Rust and Mystic Moss, which are going to be matte shades, whereas you can do with Fiery Coral Shimmer and Emerald Shimmer. Yeah, it is because see, the thing is, these are cream to powder. Good morning, Mimi. These are cream to powder. So what it does is, it's going to give you that what's it, like a nice control, and also it's going to melt easily. Yeah. So this is also going to be a really easy look because each eye is going to have just one color. So let's start with Rust. Rust is my favorite shade, like how I like Americano. Rust is again my favorite shade. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do Rust as my all over lid color. So, oh my god, my brush is so patchy, you can see. I need to blend it. I think I need to clean my brush. You can see how dirty it was. So you can see clearly how it went on top. Let me find a brush that I can work with, or else I am going to clean it. Yeah, I can use this one. So the reason to use your finger or clean your brush. So I'm just going to use my finger to blend it, and then I'm going to go over, or the quickest way to clean is obviously using what is it, like Cinema Secrets one. So what I do is, anytime when I need to clean, I'll just spray quickly, and once I do it here, it takes out all the colors. So that way it quickly becomes clean. I know, I was so lazy, I didn't even clean my brush this week. This weekend was little busy for me. Hopefully, what are your plans for long weekend? You guys are traveling or going anywhere? So far I don't have any plans. So you can see it cleans the brush so quick, and it makes it easy for you to apply. I need to go over. See, these are the things you do it in live. If you don't have time, you do everything in live. So this is a quick one, whereas I use the Senegen's brush cleaner over the weekends because that is like a soaking wet. This has what is like alcohol in it, so it cleans quicker, but at the same time it dries out fast. But whereas Senegen's one is like antibacterial one, so it needs time to soak in, and then only it will be able to dry. So I use that like once in a week or 15 days once. That way it is like a deep clean. Okay, so sorry. So now you can see my brush is clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go one more layer of it. I always like to take just from here because you don't need a lot of product, and just go over all over the lid and a little bit higher. And I like to take a fluffier brush to blend out the corners if I have to. So you need to tell me whether you will wear a look. This was actually worn by a celebrity. She wore this topsy-turvy look. That's how she did. It's called Cinema Secrets, I think. Cinema Secrets brush cleaner bow. So it's from Amazon. I will link you. It's just like a quick drying spray. So that way, anytime you have to do it quick, you can do. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do the orange on the other side, lower lid, or we can do the green on the bottom now. So let's finish the orange first. So I'm going to take, this is my favorite brush if I'm doing lower lashes. So we are going to take the same, yes, bow I will do. You can get like this kind of a small one, or you can get a bigger one and keep refilling it. So I'm just going to touch it here. And I always like to spread it a little bit instead of directly going over. And I'm doing the orange on this side. Do you see? It's a really pretty shade. Like, bow you will be able to do with your fiery coral shimmer. It's a, what is it, like, it's basically the preference whether you want it to be what's it, like a shimmer color, or you want it to be what's it, like a matte shade. So yeah, so now I'm going to do the other side because it's just one color bow. Like, then you can go over and do, when I share the picture, you guys will understand what I'm talking about. I should have shared it before doing the live, but I forgot. So I will do it when I post the pictures. I will do it. Like, I don't think you need even what's it, like you don't even need a liner or something unless you need it, but it's just basically your preference. So here again I'm going to go over with Mystic Moss, like how I talk about Desert Rose, what else, Desert Rose, Americano and all. Similar way, Rust and Mystic Moss will look really nice. Hi Lakshmi, it will look really nice on our skin tone. So what I'm going to do is, this side I'm going to take the Mystic Moss and I'm going to apply it all over my lid here. Yes, desert rose is like very nice for even a first timer because it, as you said, it will really melt even with your fingers. You don't need any fancy tools at all. So it makes it so easy for people to understand the concept as such before they move on to anything. So that's why I always tell them get desert rose first and then what's it like move to any other shades. Today all my brushes are against me. You can see how how what's like patchy it's going. So I need my favorite brush. Yeah, desert rose, Americano and all, you don't need anything extra. Just with a liner or something, it will go really, really well. And desert rose is my favorite blush too. Desert rose can be worn as a blush and it works really well. I want the pigments to show, so I'm doing another layer and then I will go with the hey Shobna, good morning Shobna. So where is my brush? Seriously? Yeah. I think I'm losing my mind on where I keep the things. So if you see what I do is I have a hooded eye. So I like to take it a little bit higher than my crease. That's how I do. So that way when you open the eye, you will still be able to see the color and also you don't get any harsh lines while you do it. So that's why I take it a little bit higher than my natural crease. So nothing Shobna. So today you can see my brushes are not at all clean. So my brushes are giving me a hard time, but the purpose of it is like to create like a topsy-turvy look. That means here I am going to do orange with green on bottom, whereas that side I have done green with orange on green on top and orange on bottom. So that's what I'm going to do. So here I have the Mystic Mask. And I'm just blending it in my lower corner. You can layer it how much you want to, so you can see it's a fun look. Sometimes we need a conversation starter, that's how I feel it. If you're going on a new girls group or somewhere like you are going for a place where you don't know anybody, having these kind of looks will really make everyone talk about it and ask you. So it's not such a fun way to do it, and they are going to stay all day, so that way you don't have to worry about it, all those stuff. I'm going to keep it and start blending. So today my brushes are not at all clean, but I will make it work. That's what we are going to do. So the favorite way to blend is always hold your brush at the end and just do like a wiping motions, or as you said, you can just press your fingers because your fingers has a little bit of warmth, so that way it's going to melt the color really well. So I just want to show the concept of it. You can even, as I was saying, you can increase the color how much ever you need to. For example, if I feel like I need a little bit more orange, I can always go back and do a little bit more. And you can always do like liners on top. You can do finish it with mascara, and you can do even the pencil liner or the liquid liner. Anything should work on top of this. It is just to bring a contrast. You can see I'm wearing like a blue and black and white. So in that case, I'm able to carry fun colors like this. So it will make your whole look pop with something interesting, and you can even just go with let me pick a glass to go with it. I think I'm going to go with my favorite glass. I'm going to do tiramisu, so you don't even need to have too many things. Thanks, Bow. This is tiramisu again. So when you finish the look, you'll what is it, like, you will be able to see it. I'm going to maybe finish it with an eyeliner, and then as I was saying, you can even do like a black pencil liner on top or bottom, or you can just finish it with the mascara. You don't have to do what is it, like a liner if you don't want to, and just keep it simple too. So that's the thing. And thank you so much for hopping on. I hope you guys try these kind of things too. For example, you can even do like or a red and blue for July 4th look, something like that. So if your outfit has two different things and you have the colors, then make sure to try something new like this, and I'm sure you will love it. And have a wonderful day, guys. Today is like 26th already, so we have another 24, 27, 28, 29, 30, 41. So 5 more days to go. I hope I can bring something new before we close. And this week, every package should have reached. So if you haven't reached, or if I haven't pinged you, please do message me. I feel like I completed all the orders. I had some mishaps, which Sanajans missed something, I missed something, so everything was sent out. And hope you all already started enjoying the products, and reach out to me if you need any info. Have a wonderful day, guys.